The 2014 Cayman. The design of the Cayman models is benefiting of their distinctive sporty character. Their performance potential is obvious at first sight, for these are true specimens of force and athleticism. Individual styling features help to define the Cayman so impressively and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bose sound system, HomeLink garage door opener, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.